Well, today we went to Tractor Supply and we bought a few things for our chicks. And the first thing we got is this electrolyte. It's in 3 packs. And we got our probiotics so they can have good digestion. And this was also recommended for the first 2 weeks of them. This is recommended for them. And then another thing we got, and one thing we got from our garden was we got a bunch of pepper seeds for red, white, yellow, and maybe there's a green in there, I don't know, and orange. Then over here we got some Dumar poultry, which looks like little stones. It looks like little stones for them. And I'm gonna put it down now so that I can show you our new chicken feed. I'm gonna show you our new chicken feed now. After time. This has a lot of chicken feed because it is hard for me to pick up. This is what it looks like. It's new chicken feed. We hadn't got it last time, so this is a brand new type. Because when we went to Tractor Supply, there was no chicken feed that we got last time. So my mom got this instead. Now, my dad made a new feeder for the chicks today. Like, oh, let me show you. You open this like that, and then it slides down that ramp, slides down the ramp, and then comes out the bottom right there so the chicks can get to it. And then we also put our water on bricks so that so much hay wouldn't get into it. So we won't be needing this, plus it's a lot harder to handle this than it is to use that. This is organic. It's which means it doesn't have any medication in it. And well, since we don't need any medication because our chicks are very healthy, so we don't need any medication for them. And this is it. I'm going to hold it up so you guys can look at it, just in case you want to know what type it is to buy for your chicks. By the way, this is chick feed because it's all crumbled up. But here's a very big caution, and make sure if you don't want your chickens getting hurt, make sure you watch this a second time if you don't get it. Watch this as many times as you need so you don't hurt your chicks. This right here is this is our Dumar poultry, and it is for our adult chickens for when our chicks get older, and so this is for them when they get older. But do not, I repeat, do not give this to baby chicks. It could hurt them or choke them. Do not give this to them.
So when do we give it to them?
We give it to them when they are 8 weeks old. 8 weeks old. Read my lips. 8 weeks old. For now. Oh, one more time. Do not give this to them until they are 8 weeks old.
Did you know that I saw the chick Rain jump up on the perch? The one in the corner?
Oh. Well, my mom just said that she saw my chick, Rain, she saw Rain jump up onto this perch in the corner. Rain is a little gray chick who has the slightest little streak up her head. But it's small and thin and light, so it's hard to tell if she's Rain or not. Because a lot of them do have that. A lot of the gray ones. So when we were giving the rest of them away, 7 of them away, I had to make sure that we didn't give Rain away, and we did not. You have to be sure that you don't give your chick away if it's hard to know if she's Rain or if it's your chick or not. Now, hopefully, I'm saying hopefully, next video we will be telling you about, we will show you our egg experiment. Hopefully, I'm not saying next video, because last time I said next video, we ended up doing this video, so. Our chicks are really getting used to this feed box, although my dad just made it today. Now, I want to tell you something. He did not buy this feeder. He made it himself. So, if you guys ever want to know, after this video, I'm gonna ask my dad if he can come in here and show you step you through how he made this chicken box. This chicken feed box, if you ever want to make something bigger for your chick.